Welcome back to Sourdough Starter Class 3. What happened last night, guys? Maybe you're seeing bubbles. Maybe you're seeing nothing. Maybe you're seeing a little liquid. What does that mean? Absolutely nothing right now. Your starter needs to be well established before you can even use it. So what are we going to do today, you guys? Repeat the process. That is correct. First thing we do, stir up your starter. I give it a mix, discard half of it into the garbage can. And what are we going to do? We are going to feed our starter. Here we go. Half a cup of all-purpose unbleached flour. How much water, class? A little less than the flour you put in. That is correct. A plus today. A plus. Give it a good mix together. And we're going to talk about it again. What consistency are we looking for? Y'all aced it yesterday. Thick pancake batter, right? We're looking for a consistency. We're not looking for anything else but a consistency. If you need to add more flour, you do. A little bit, a little sprinkle. You need to add more water, a dash of water till you get the right consistency. As long as you take half away and add another half, you're gonna get the right consistency. Go ahead and wipe your walls down. Again, I'm not judging you based on how your cup looks, okay? That's your prerogative. There we go. Thick pancake batter. It might be a little elasticy. It might be a little more dense. But as long as it is thick pancake batter, you're doing what you need to do. All right, wipe your spoon off. Napkin. Into the trash. Yesterday, somebody asked me, why are we discarding half? I actually got that comment a lot, so we're going to answer it today. We are discarding half every single day because, one, if you don't discard, this is just going to keep growing. If you were to add half a cup of water, half a cup of flour every single day, you're just going to get more. This is not a starter yet. So you need to get rid of half, so we just maintain a small amount. You don't want to keep adding to it. Secondly, if you were to keep adding to this, you would need to add way more flour, way more water. If it got to here, you'd be adding a cup of flour, cup of water. We're not trying to waste flour. Half a cup is already a lot, but we need to do half a cup for now just to see some progress, okay? So that is why we discard half. Once it's established, girl, in about 10 days, that discard that we throw away, you'll either be using it in discard recipes or you're going to use your fresh starter in some bread and you're not going to have to discard anything away. You'll just be feeding. We'll talk about that when we get there. Also, later I'll do a video on things that you're going to need to buy in the future. People are already asking me that. Loaf pans, scales, anything that I use to make loaves of bread in the next 2 weeks because y'all are trying to prepare. I love that. I love those students. Y'all are already thinking of the future. You're already thinking you're going to have sourdough. That is how you should be thinking, okay? Day 3 sourdough starter is done. I'm proud of you.